Ever found yourself needing to send money from your Apple Pay to Bangladesh but hit a wall? Let's break down how to navigate this international money transfer puzzle. First, the hard truth: Apple Pay doesn't directly support transfers to Bangladeshi bank accounts or mobile payment services. This is due to limitations in Apple Pay's international transfer capabilities and banking regulations in Bangladesh. But don't worry, there are workarounds. A popular option is using a third-party money transfer service like Wise, Remitly, or WorldRemit. These services often bridge the gap for international transfers. Here's how it generally works. First, create an account with your chosen service and link your Apple Pay as a funding source. Then, specify the amount you want to send and select Bangladesh as the destination country. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's details, including their bank name, account number, and address in Bangladesh. Double-check this information carefully to avoid any delays or complications. The third-party service will then process the transfer, converting the currency and sending the funds to the recipient's bank account in Bangladesh. They usually charge a fee and offer different exchange rates, so compare your options. Before confirming the transfer, take a moment to review the fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Some services might be faster or more cost-effective than others depending on the amount and the specific service used. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transfer and you're done. The recipient should receive the funds in their Bangladeshi bank account within the estimated time frame. Now you know how to transfer Apple Pay to Bangladesh via a third party. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.